Hello and welcome back everyone to your channel. I hope that you all are healthy, hearty and in the best of your health. आज है बारी स्टूडियो टूर की. पिछले कुछ दिनों से आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू शूट ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक फॉर 20 days. कुछ तो रीज़न था that I will share with you in maybe some another vlog. बहुत लंबी चौड़ी स्टोरी है, so किसी और दिन we'll share with you. अभी के लिए so since I was having a lot of time to self introspect, do a lot of changes. सो डूइंग ऑल द एनालिटिक्स एंड स्टडीज़ मुझे लगा कि मुझे कुछ अच्छा कुछ नया लाना चाहिए, समथिंग विच इंटरेस्ट यू पीपल अ लॉट मोर. तो सब सोच समझ के आई स्टार्टेड विद द सीरीज़. बहुत जल्दी यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट सीरीज़ एंड आई एम होपिंग दैट आई विल बी एक्सट्रीमली कंसिस्टेंट विद दैट. उसके बारे में मैं आपको किसी और व्लॉग में बताऊँगी. आपको लग रहा होगा मैं घर कह रही हूँ किसी और व्लॉग में तो उसमें क्या है. सो बेसिकली एक्चुअली उस सीरीज़ में आप बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली अपना स्टूडियो देखने वाले हो, यानी कि क्योंकि मैं यहीं पर ही रहती हूँ पूरा टाइम ऑलमोस्ट. समटाइम आई स्लीप ऑल्सो हियर, सो माई एंटायर डे गोज आउट इन माई स्टूडियो ओनली शूटिंग एंड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. तो इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आई शुड मेक यू फेमिलियर विद इट, और बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग था ये, तो ये बनता था. सो आई थॉट कि टुडे लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू माई स्टूडियो टूर. ओके, सो एक्चुअली जब ये स्टूडियो बन रहा था तो इट वॉज नॉट मेंट टू बी माई स्टूडियो. एक्चुअली इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक ओके वी हैड क्रिएटेड अ प्लेस अपसाइड भैयूज ऑफिस. बट लकीली बोलते ना कि जो जिसकी किस्मत में लिखा होता है वट एवर, आई मीन ही नोज द बेस्ट कि कब किस टाइम पे किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है किस चीज़ की. सो लकीली टर्नड आउट टू बी माई स्टूडियो. सो जब वो बन रहा था वो सब चीज़ें हो रही थी, सो आई could not shoot its process of making, and I regret it because I am a person who loves in the journey, who loves in the process, who loves in the making. जो एक होता है ना वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है पर्सनली. somehow I missed it, but I thought कि चलो जो भी है, I just realized कि okay, maybe I can show you in 3 parts, maybe in 3 phases. फर्स्ट की बिल्कुल बिगिनिंग में वो कैसा था, बिकॉज जैसे आप जो भी देख रहे हो समवेयर, मैं भी थोड़ा डिटेल में दिखाऊंगी. तो उसका जो ऊपर इसके ऊपर एक छत भी है, तो समवेयर इट इज़ लाइक कि वो बिल्कुल वैसा ही था पहले शुरू होने से पहले. देन वंस इट वॉज मेड तो कैसा था, एंड फाइनली आफ्टर putting down all the things together, जो एक final look है अभी, then I'm going to show you that last one. Okay, so are you ready for my tour? I mean, for my tour? So are you ready for my office tour? No. So are you ready for our studio tour? So चलो चले. ओके, सो जो हमारा अभी जहाँ पे स्टूडियो बना हुआ है, दैट्स अ प्लेस विच इज़ ऑन रोड. ओके, तो समवेयर इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. मैं नीचे से भी दिखाऊंगी, ये ऊपर का हिस्सा है अभी. ओके, सो दिस इज लाइक अ रोड गोइंग ऑन, यू कैन सी द रोड, आई थिंक सो. ओके, देन इट वॉज लाइक दिस ओनली, कम्प्लीटली जैसे आप देख रहे हो ऐसे पूरा छत जैसा ऐसे था, बिल्कुल रॉ पीस. देन इसके ऊपर हमने ऐसे ऐसे करके, जो आपको ये दिख रहा है ना यहाँ पर, basically it was like this from left and right, if you see this. Okay, then finally we put down the tin, and now I'm going to show you कि बनने के बाद वो कैसा था. Okay, तो चलो. ओके, सो अभी आपने एक रॉ पीस देख लिया, बनने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत कैसा था वो देख लिया. फाइनली आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द literal final tour of the office right now, finally how it looks and how it had been arranged. So come on. Okay, so this is the stairs wherein we come up. नीचे में है भैयू का ऑफिस एंड जो मेरे टीम के लोग भी हैं वो सभी नीचे बैठते हैं. बेसिकली द अपर प्लेस इज जस्ट फॉर द शूट एंड आई समटाइम्स स्टे देयर. So this is like some kind of place for which I've been rented. Then this is your entrance. Okay, so this is the entrance. And as soon as we go, this is the downside. This is my room. This is one washroom. Then this is the wash basin. And this is our bathroom. And finally, this is the room. So we have basically 3 entrances. One is this middle one is this side one. So we can enter from any of the 3, but the one which I use majorly is this one. So as soon as you enter, you have one kitchen. Okay, so basically this is, you can say, studio come house, something like that, wherein I can stay. You know, when you are shooting you have to change and do a lot of things. You have to be here, you have to rest out, so everything has to be there. So ये छोटा सा किचन है जहाँ पे थोड़ा छोटा सभी सामान है. This is like a fruit basket, this is vegetable basket, this is छोटू सा gas. Then we have some utensils out here, and yes, then I have this छोटू सा table it is like my bedside table where I have all the necessary medicines, and I keep a lot of bottles out there so that I'm absolutely hydrated, and I take care that I intake good amount of liters in the day. Then this is our bed, छोटू सा bed. So you must be thinking इतने सारे pillows क्या कर रहे हैं. I just love pillows. मेरा बस चले तो मैं बेड पे एक इंसान और पूरा आधे से ज़्यादा बेड पे पिलोज होने चाहिए. So it just feels you and gives you a comfy feeling. Then this is a small again bedside table and a lot of things you can keep it. Then this is the wall, my favorite wall. So this is we also have TV out here in case you wish to see something. And this is my favorite wall wherein I have all my photos. These are the things which actually make me feel extremely homely. So we have all the photos out here. Then there is a chotu sa almirah. It was needed because obviously I need to change again and again. For different types of shoots you need different clothes. Then there is also a mat out here just to exercise and do a little bit of warm up and stuff like that. Then this is our bag table, and this is a chotu sa cloth basket. Then this is my table finally wherein I sit down my work. This is my laptop, my workstation you can say. So I generally work here, and also downstairs we have our office people who are in my team. They generally work downstairs, and if they wish to have some discussion, either we have it upstairs or we have it downstairs. Okay, so ये पूरा हमने पर्दे नहीं थे यहाँ पे, सारे में पर्दे लगाए. I just love this maroon color. Then this is another wall. So we have tried with different wallpapers so that we have different areas to shoot. So you can say that I can also use this wallpaper sometimes to shoot. Then there is a lot of white background to shoot. Then also I have this chotu sa mirror to get ready. So it is much needed. Dressing table, so chota mota saman which I don't use much. Then this is my study table again, and here comes my board. So this is like a board wherein अभी तो मैंने थोड़ा अपना डाइट वाइट का कुछ लिखा हुआ है. I feel it is important to write down, so that you can see it is like very much organized and planned what you wish to have, what you don't wish to have, ताकि आप correspondingly कर सको. So this is like my green screen का board which is अभी presently shifted here. So whenever I have to shoot, I put down this clothes and then I shoot. And then again this is the wall, and again we have another whiteboard. I think I'm like obsessed with whiteboards. Again there's a lot of planning out here which God only knows when it will succeed. Okay, so this was a little, basically this is how it is. So this is the kitchen, this is the bed, and this is then the workstation, and then this is like all the shoot areas wherein I change and use correspondingly. This also sometimes I think I have shooten in this place in when I was shooting for, I think, that mic thing. as far as I remember. Okay, then as soon as you go out, so there's also a place out here where you can walk around. So this is how it is outside. बाहर आप कुछ कपड़े वपड़े सुखा सकते हो. Then you can walk around. There's a lot of space out here. The best thing is I always feel कि जब कभी भी आप किसी जगह पर हुए रह रहे हो, you always need to have place where you can go and take fresh air. So this is what it is, and this is downside again. As I was telling you, it's on road. So this is what it is. Okay, so this was a छोटू सा studio tour vlog from my side. I hope that you have liked it. आपको कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताना, and also let me know कि इसको और कैसे better बना सकते हो, or anything that you felt like which was essential and which is missing. Also आप क्या क्या और देखना चाहते हो, how we can go better in our quality, in the content that we are making, what else do you wish to see from us. I'll be more than thankful if you will help me, guide me into this, because आप नहीं एग्जैक्टली बता सकते कि जो आपके व्यूअर्स हैं, जो आपकी extended family है, basically what they wish to see, what they are wanting to be researched for, and a lot of other things. So do let me know. I'll be more than happy to work on all those things which you want to see on the other end. So till the time we meet again, as I always say, stay happy, stay blessed, love, 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 and we pray good things for you. Bye bye.